We are in the sunny state of New Mexico. This is where DIY Mental Boost is founded. My name is Renee Thomas, and I am a self-help advocate and a presenter for knowing about your mind. So instead of going through life feeling scared of your mind, scared of your emotions, not sure how you're going to react to things, believing that this is just the way life has to be, that you worry, that you stress, that you just, some days just aren't always feeling well, this is the workshop for you. I am happy to announce that finally, after a couple of years of doing workshops around Las Cruces, we will now be having a 3-day workshop each month. Yes! So it's a 3-day workshop each month on how to live life without emotional distress. Now, this is not a workshop that you have to come to each month. It's just available. And you will have in the moment mental enhancements. So the purpose of these workshops is to quickly and pleasantly show you how easy it is to enhance how your mind is reacting to what's going on around you in life. See, because if you think that it's your circumstances that need to change in order for you to feel emotionally better, this is why 90% and more of the people around you are up and down on a roller coaster, including yourself. It's because you're waiting for circumstances to occur to then say, this is how you're going to feel. But you can actually decide, and you can actually enhance your mind to be able to navigate through anything. So instead of doing the roller coaster, oh, this happened today, so this has to be a bad day. This happened today, so this is a good day. Your brain will be able to stay in the plane of this is a good day. This is a good day. And it's not about hiding. It's not about ignoring. It's actually about learning how to navigate your thoughts and emotions so that your brain is building mental resilience. So instead of this situation keep occurring and you're having the same reaction, your mind will actually be able to effortlessly navigate it for you. So instead of it being a heavy burden, your brain will not allow it to be a burden. Is that not amazing? My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost. I am the founder. This is an education that is left out of our basic education. It's not even in the education that's given to the medical field or even to counselors and therapists. And so therefore we have this huge gap, and this gap is actually causing and behind the high-end stress and worries that are going on in life because of not being able to navigate through them. So instead of realizing you have the ability to navigate them and proceed to still achieve whatever it is that you want despite what has happened, okay, that is what is needed for mental resilience. But when we have something happen to us and then we say it's a trauma that's going to affect us the rest of our lives, we're never going to be the same, that's actually training the brain to not be resilient, and to every time something happens unwanted, for it to take it on as something unrecoverable from. This is Renee Thomas, and I look forward to you attending these workshops. Okay, so now let me explain a little bit about the workshops. If you're feeling, oh no, I'm too tired, I'm too busy, it's okay. They're short sessions. They start on a Friday at 6 p.m. Actually arrive at 5:30 so you can have bigger food and beverages to give you lots of energy. And the same thing on Saturday, it's only 2 hours. Sunday, it's only 2 hours. But you will feel empowered and rejuvenated the weekend that you attend this session. Okay? The session, the 3-day workshop is $3.99. Okay? It's $3.99. Now, if your brain is saying, oh, I can't afford that, that's okay. We got you. We got your back. because we have an actual benefit now and pay later option. So basically, you sign up for a 12-month plan that allows you to pay $33 a month for 12 months. There's no interest, there's no extra fees. That's just, you just pay that off. So we've got you covered, okay? We're gonna give you in the moment mental thought enhancements. This is a one of a kind experience. You're never going to experience this again in your lifetime. And I say that because it's not offered except with us. Okay, actually it is offered, but you got to spend thousands of dollars and you may have to travel to some major cities. But those in Las Cruces, they don't have to do that. They can come right here, right now. So I look forward to seeing you. Click on the link, sign up. Now just sign up, okay? Just sign up, come on Friday. See what it's about, see what enhancements you get. If you like it, return for the Saturday and Sunday sessions. That's just the way it works. Friday you come and you're like, no, this is not for me. I thank you for giving us the opportunity to meet you and to connect with you. But if it is for you, we'll see you on Saturday and Sunday too. So this is Renee Thomas, DIY Mental Boost, and I'm super excited. It's coming up. It's in less than a week. Sign up. Click. We'll see you soon.